Okay, we're doing a project today. You've never seen this kind of project before on my videos. Okay, we got this wall right here, glass in it. Okay, we're gonna take it out. All that concrete wall is coming out. How are we gonna do it? Take the glass out, no one's gonna get hurt. Nobody can get hurt, it's not allowed. Okay, so here it is. You may recognize this building. We're not naming names. It's all gonna change. This column in the middle, it's way too big, man. How are we gonna see around that column? Gotta take that column out. Way too big. So here's the outside look. And we might even take this column down. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about it. That third column. Anyway, it's gonna be a brand new world. Just give me a week, okay, will you? Okay, this is just a little tip here. Maybe you know where we are. And you've had a fine cup of coffee over here, I know. But right now, we're gonna change the way it looks and feels. Block wall comes out. And we pulled that little platform out of the way for you. Don't worry about it, I'll take care of you. And it's gonna be a whole new look. I just want you to see, remember how things were back in the day, all right? Anyway, this glass over here, pretty fancy. We already did that for you. Gonna try to duplicate that look over here. So stand by. The process is starting. Day one. Okay, you know, when you take out glass, you gotta be real careful. And sometimes you use those suctions to grab it. But this stuff is so big, look at it. It would be too heavy. So my man here is gonna test it out. We gotta break the glass, but you don't want the glass to break you. So he's testing it out. What do we got? Oh, it's plate. There it went. I guess that was easy. So much for plastic catching it. Tape. Wow, I guess we're committed now. Tempered glass. One pane of glass there. Look at that, man. Came right out. Wow, did you see that? Well, then stick around, man. There's more fun to be had. Here he goes. He's gonna do another one. Oh, he's breaking the... Oh, yeah, he's back from it. There it is. Smart guy, I think. He's staying behind it, but... Checking for plate glass. Yeah, it's plate glass. See, the last one was tempered.
Let me check this out.
Ooh, that's harder. It might be tempered. It might be tempered. It is. Wow, so the two in the middle are plate glass and the end ones are tempered. So there you go. You can hear it snap, crackle, pop like Rice Krispies, man.
Can I use you 1 2x4?
Of course. Yeah, that's a big piece of plate glass there, boys. Oh my gosh, you're gonna train this guy on our job? Don't give it to him, man. He's gonna get hurt. Oh boy. So much for... So much for safety glue and plastic. Good thing I brought my ladder, huh?
Oh, your ladder, yes, this is ladder. Okay.
Companies come out and they don't have half the stuff they need. Borrow some lumber. Sure, boys, go ahead. Man, it's a deal nowadays. So we got on-the-job training here. Oh my gosh. Most of it's over now. Okay, here it is. It's hard work, people. You gotta have heavy equipment. Look at that chipper. You thought your dentist was rough on you? Wow. This guy will knock your teeth out. Okay. Now this center column, we discovered there's a monster concrete base right here, so we have to leave it. We're going to investigate that, and the rest of it, we'll see how it's going to go. But for now, you never know when you get into it what you're going to find. So at the end of day one, if your demo company didn't finish, oh, for crying out loud, boys, get some work done around here. You know, you got to board it up, you know, keep the boogeyman out at night. Look at this. Here's how you do it. See, they didn't get done. It's a hard day of work for two guys, and so all this has got to still come out, of course. So we'd be building a temp wall. Look at that. I frame it, one hand tied behind my back. But anyway, you guys are missing all the fun. We got to get it boarded up so in the morning we can take it right back off. So it's got to be, you know, because you know, we live in a fallen world. People just want to fall right into your property and steal everything. So you got to take measures. Be wise as serpents, the Lord says. Gentle as doves while you protect yourself. Okay, we got it all up there. All the way to the end. No roaches are even going to get in here. Say that's pretty sealed up for the night.